want to see it. I don't want to see it.
So, man, so lucky to have a friend like Hansen. Kasi ang ganda ng kanta ni Van ngayon.
Compared to mine.
Mataas kong marinig si Hansen.
Yay!
Yeah. Magpasalamat ka. Ako paprangkahin na kita, Hansen. Ikaw muna, Monet, mag-comment ka sa ginawa. At sige na. Huwag na lang.
Huwag na lang. No, hindi. Iko-comment ko para sa inyo lahat. Ano pa rin, mastery pa rin yung song. Mastery pa rin yung song. You have to start with the most basic. You have to master the song. That was a very hard song. But since mahirap, you should have put more time into it.
And some, you know, I mean, that's why I am specifically, di ba? Anyway, I'll go back to Hansen muna. Alam mo, Hansen, di ba nung unat-una pa naman, ang sinabi ko, ang magiging problema mo is dahil nga yung nipis ng boses mo. Dagdagan pa niya na, alam mo, nakikita ko mas malaking problema mo, hindi lamang yung nipis ng boses mo. Yung pressure na nilalagay mo sa sarili mo, dahil gusto mong pumasok sa top 6. Alam ko na yun, nararamdaman ko, at nakikita ko naman nervyos na nervyos ka sa mangyayari sa Sabado. Okay? Tama na nervyusin ka dahil kailangan yon para doon mo kukunin yung lakas mo at saka yung tapang mo para mag-perform sa Sabado. Pero, huwag mong gamitin yon na maging obstacle sa pag-deliver ng magandang performance mo. I'm saying that to you too, Sel. Okay, but I'm not as worried for you, Sel, as I am worried for Hansen. Kasi I know, Sel, mas may mas nakakayanan mo yan. Hansen, huwag kang bibigay. Alam mo, you're such a fucking worrywart. You worry about everything. Okay? You worry if it's going to rain on Saturday. Hindi ba? Yung may mga concerns na wala ka, stop worrying and just start working on it. I mean, this performance was a disaster for two reasons. One was that you were trying to do good, but in the process, you pressured yourself too much again. So, nagpalpak ka. This is a repeat of your world